Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. For our new subscribers, welcome to our family house. Anyway, let us cook our almost rotten veggies. Famies, in this house we cook whatever that we have, anything that we have. So today we have some carrots that are about to die. English is not my mother tongue. Please forgive me. I beg you, don't judge me like you can speak. Huh? So anyway, what do you do when you have veggies that are about to, actually that are almost rotten or almost, no, it can't be spoiled. The milk is the one that is spoiled, not the veggies. So yes, don't throw away anything. You can use that last carrot that looks like the one, your mother's mother. Thou shall be forgiven. That carrot that looks like my grandmother, my sister, don't throw it away. That is where the carrot is it becomes nice. Anyway, you chopped your onion. We're gonna chop our red flags. Bafana the boys, the red flags. They never stop being red flags. And we see these red flags, but we continue. We enter. My sister, this year may you chop only green flags. May you only go for green flags. This thing of red, we are tired. Take your red flag boyfriend and throw him in the saucepan. I don't know. Throw him in the pot. We shall see what we do with him. At least he will give us color. He will bring some new person. He's cooking you for the green flag. Have patience. We take the yellow flag. This one is quite okay. But he has some, work to do, my sister. You have to teach a lot of things. He's lying too much, but he's okay. He's kind. At least he's yellow. You're gonna chop your yellow pepper, chop it nicely, and throw it with that guy. Isn't it that you are throwing them? Then you come. It is in the pot. At least we are moving. From red to yellow, my sister. This is progress. This is life. We don't have a green flag, but we improvised. You wanted Brother B, and Brother B is gone. You go for C because at least he's a green flag. That's what matters. You shall be taken care of, my brother. At least she doesn't have Bamba, but at least she's likable. She can cook. Take it, leave, stop bothering us. Okay, and a little bit of parsley, of course, for color. Now, families, we are not going to put them inside the pot with our onion, yellow pepper and red pepper, because when you overcook parsley and onion, that type of spring onion, it becomes dark. By the time we are done cooking, it's going to be dark. So we put it aside together with our potato, right? Remember, potato, if you overcook it, it's going to be mush, and we don't want to mash things. We want to cook a very nice meal that with our almost rotten veggies. We don't throw them away. Okay, this is your cousin carrot. You're going to peel them nicely because they talk too much. You have to clean them before you trust them. So mzala, I want to tell you my love life, but I have to trust you first. Anyway, these are your carrots. Your cousins are fine. Hey, grill them. Mzala will betray ya. Dila ka mtswalo wa hawa kuruku. Arato bereka ka batho ba di kuruku. Re ka se kgone. Motswala mpeane. Then you're going to grate your carrots, grate them nicely. This one is very dangerous. Actually, it's quite sharp. I was struggling. Actually, I'm still struggling using it. So be careful, famies, when you are doing this. Be careful of your fingers, please. We don't want to lose you. We love you in this house. Did they tell you? Anyway, as I'm talking right now, click that subscription button. You have been watching me for a very long time. Do the right thing. Do the right thing, my sister. Bless me. You just bless me. Do the right thing. You are watching the content. It's working. Why not? Anyway, not warm. What is this? Yeah. Low heat. A little bit of cooking oil. Remember, cholesterol. We don't want to do that. Okay? Mix everything together. Your onion, yellow pepper, and red pepper. And then your cousin. The one that speaks a lot. The one that talks too much. add that cousin of, no, that is actually curry. Somebody said, no, you can't hide your spices because of advertisement. I was like, yes, ma'am, because I'm here for you. That is curry, okay? Put any curry of your favorite curry, eh? But I won't show you the brand. These people are paying you, not paying you. So, a little bit of crushed. This one I will show. Am I showing? Do I show? Am I not? It was actually finishing, so I was showing the empty bottle. Maybe one of you will say in my DMs, my sister, I saw you ran out of curry. Let me bless ya. Hey, enter in my DMs, I beg. For good reasons. Don't enter with other things. I'm a red flag. You don't want to go there with me, my brother. Forget. So, after mixing everything with low heat again, we don't cook with 6. Then we take our jalapeno. You know, we did it. We have a video here of chili. Somebody even said, I like chilies. Yeah, this is the chili, homemade. It's still in good condition. Stop buying things unnecessary. Sometimes just use what you have. And we are doing exactly that. We cook what we have. You're going to add your carrot, your cousin. That one. That tells everyone in the family that that is your cousin. Mara, we dealt with her. Ramo great. Cousin speed. So mix everything together, low heat, and close it at the later stage when everything is about to, then this is aromat. Lately, I shy away from using different types of spices. That is why when I go for pepper, I always go for homemade. Okay, I used curry, but it wasn't a lot because we have to take care of ourselves, famies. Don't just use every spice. Everything, like put garlic, those food that are just, unless if you're doing curry, yes. But don't be too much on, spice. So eat well, man. Then you're going to add your parsley, your spring onion, and that potato. Also, the potato was almost like my grandmother. Almost the days were numbered. I'm like, come closer. Come closer before you go. Come, let us spend some time. Benefit me before you go. Then we had some baked beans in the fridge, and I'm like, Zala. Whoa, Zala. I added some baked beans. This is your normal chakalaka. I mean, who doesn't know chakalaka? But then I wanted to show you that there's no need to throw your veggies away. You can still use them. They are not yet rotten. They are not yet spoiled. Spoiled is the milk. Guys, English is and acha. If you don't know acha, I don't know. Acha get acha, but that mango salad that they usually do in Venda people. If you want us to fight, drop your numbers. We shall fight. I said it. Acha is from Venda. If you don't believe me, go there during mango. Every house has a mango. Anyway, we are not here for the vendors, but we love you in this house. Comment down below the vendors. We love you, my sisters and my brothers. So everything is done. You see the cooking oil? It's not a lot. Our potato, it's still potato, you can see. And then the parsley, it's not black because we added it towards the end. Then you're going to put your chutney and any sauce. This was not chili, but not mustard as well. I forgot the sauce. And then a little bit of sugar. What did I say about sugar? It neutralizes the taste. Sometimes you find out that your food are too chili or they're too salty. What do? We add a little bit of sugar, and then it does the neutralization, if there is, that kind of a word. Then you mix everything together. And we had a chakalaka. So you see, you didn't waste food. We don't waste food in this house. We don't waste food. We cook what we have in our houses, famies. That is why we are doing a relatable food content. Thank you, my famies, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like,